Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to know if your Alipay account is fully verified. Okay, um, this is really easy. This is really simple to do. We're gonna open our app. We're gonna open uh, our Alipay app, and right here we're gonna once we log in, right here we're gonna see these options. This option called account. We're gonna click this. Okay, once we click this option right here, you're going to see all these other options right here. This you're going to ignore this, and we're gonna click this button right here. Right here we're gonna see all these options again. We're gonna click this one, the first one right here. We're gonna click this and call account and security, and right here you can see all this information right here in this options called identity information. Right here will appear your name right here, and in the right side of your name you're going to see um, this this words verified. And if you see this, that means that your account is fully verified. Okay, that is. Um, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.